Here, by this connection sketch, we could explain you easily how you have to connect the TX solar panels. The TX solar panels, they have a 1 meter cable. You have a cable plug and a socket, and also a watertight cap for the socket. You connect these to the cable of the panel and attach the also 10 meter cable which is inside the package to the socket. From there you go to your deck's passage. If it's not already installed on your deck, you have to buy a new one, and we advise to use a pluggable connection. So here it is the plug and the socket and the housing. After the housing you are below deck. You can extend the cable with the standard what you have already on board. From there you go directly to the solar regulator. The solar regulator is normally mounted near the battery to give the possibility of a precise regulation of the voltage. From the regulator you can connect two different battery types, two different battery systems. Here it is a motor battery system, and here is the consumer battery system. Both battery systems can consist out of two different types. The type of the battery will be set inside the charge regulator. The charge regulator will be connected all the time to the batteries, independent if you recharge also these batteries by a wind generator, alternator, by the engine or whatever. The regulator stays connected to the batteries all the time.